Hello guys, welcome to my Minecraft Let's Play.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
When you feel it's hopeless, when you think that you're lost, oh, I will take your hand and we'll rise up from the dust. Oh, here we go, 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 let us heal and grow. You won't be alone, we're unstoppable. Don't be afraid to show what we're going for. This is what we know. Here we come back to life, still breathing, standing up, everybody's gonna see it.
Seemingly perfect harmony, until one day a young man catches fire. This is Phoenix.
You've been knocked down and got up again. In the corner, you're surrounded, no defense. You've hid your fury and kept it in. But it's time now, you ignite and turn to embers. They're just looking for attention.
Yeah.